what are lipids? A second important group of organic compounds is lipids. Lipids make up 18 to 25% of body mass in lean adults. Lipids are organic compounds that are made up of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are chemical compounds consisting of carbon and hydrogen. Lipids are insoluble in water, but they are soluble in organic solvents, for example oil, wax and steroid. This is because the proportion of electronegative oxygen atoms in lipids is usually less. So there are fewer polar covalent bonds. As a result, most lipids are insoluble in polar solvents such as water, as they are hydrophobic. And because they are hydrophobic, only the smallest lipids such as some fatty acids, only they can dissolve in watery blood plasma. The diverse lipid family include fatty acids, triglycerides, phospholipids, sterols and lipoproteins. Triglycerides include fats and oils. They make up more than 95% of lipids. They are present in diet and they are found in fried food, vegetable oil, butter, whole milk, cheese, cream cheese and some meats. Phospholipids are lipids that contain phosphorus. They are major component of cell membrane. They provide barrier in cellular membrane to protect cell and help in transport across membrane. They are found in eggs, organ meats, fish, cereal grains, etc. Sterols are also known as steroid alcohol. Steroids are lipids that contain rings of carbon atoms. They occur naturally in plants, animals, fungi, and are also produced by some bacteria. To become more soluble in blood plasma, other lipid molecules join with hydrophilic protein molecules. The resulting lipid and protein complexes are termed as lipoproteins. These lipoproteins are soluble because the proteins are on the outside and the lipids are on the inside. A variety of other lipids include fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Now, what are the functions of lipids? Fats in body are source of energy in the human diet. They represent main storehouse of energy-giving nutrients. In diet, fats are carrier of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E and K, and they support their absorption in intestines. Since lipids are insoluble in water, so they are excellent candidates of cell signaling. So lipids also act as chemical messengers. Lipids also maintain body temperature, like layers of fat under skin help in insulation and protection from cold. Lipids also take part in formation of membrane layer and cholesterol. Much of the cholesterol is located in the cell membrane.